Did you bring yours?
No.
Oh yeah. So obviously it was somebody else's then. I wish I was taking your nice camera. My little portable one.
About 3 more feet.
How's that?
Good.
Good. Think of the happiest time. Does anybody want to bust on a Peter Pan song right now?
Peter Pan.
Because they're like flying on the rooftops.
Here we go, Wendy, Michael, John.
You can fly, you can fly, you can
Hurry
fly.
up and follow us as soon as
We'll be gone, we're flying. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly, you can fly. Just sprinkle a little Tinkerbell dust on you.
No.
Yeah, we want some on the side.
I'm out of phone power and I have to pee, so I think it might be time to go home. Good. Whoa.
Whoa, is right.
What is there?
Is there someone up
Is
there?
there some? Is he right up there?
It's Peter Pan. That's why we're singing the Peter Pan theme song.